So today onwards, we are going to start the SAP NetWeaver. So what is mean by NetWeaver here? So NetWeaver is also a so one of the software stack. This is also one of the software applications for many of SAP applications will run on top of SAP NetWeaver Application Server. So many of the applications will run on top of the SAP NetWeaver. NetWeaver is the base. NetWeaver is the base. NetWeaver is a software stack here. So suppose if you want to run the ECC on top of NetWeaver also required here. Suppose you want to SRM, CRM, PLM, ERP, whatever you want required. So NetWeaver stack is required here. NetWeaver stack is required here. So sometimes we will call it as the NetWeaver as called the WebAS. NetWeaver is available in the two stacks here. One is the ABAP stack, right? Normally we are discussing about the ABAP stack here. Then the second one is the Java stack here. Java stack here. So ABAP stack we know transaction code based. To operate the SAP ABAP system, we have to use the transaction code. We need to log into the from SAP GUI or logon pad. We have to log into the SAP system. We need to operate our SAP systems here. We have to operate, right? So we have to operate our SAP systems here. So this is the NetWeaver stack is a runtime environment. Is the runtime environment for the SAP application. Normally, you know what is meant by runtime. So runtime environment for the all SAP applications, all of the business suite applications that will run on the NetWeaver stack systems only. Which means, suppose example, if you want to run the SRM, right? So if you want to run the SRM, we want to run the CRM, we want to run the PLM, we want to run the ERP, right? So which are these all are the applications. So CRM, so SCM, these all are required. So NetWeaver stack is required here. So NetWeaver stack is available in the NetWeaver is available in the two stacks here, ABAP stack and Java stack here. ABAP stack is here purely transaction code based. If you want to log into the ABAP system, you need to use the SAP GUI. As of now, up to yesterday, we discussed about this one, right? For Java stack, we cannot log into the SAP GUI here. This is the Java stack is the web-based URL. Browser level, we have to log in. We have to do all the administration tasks here. So the product is marked as a service-oriented architecture. Java stack NetWeaver is marked as a service-oriented architecture here. So here they have written in the ABAP program and also the Java program. Java they have written in the Java also here. Java they have written on the Java stack also here. They have written here, right? So that is the main thing here. That is the main thing for the Java here. So for the Java to install the Java system, these are the NetWeaver is the Java stack systems mainly here. So for this one here, so what we have to do here? So what we have to do here in the Java stack systems here? So SAP NetWeaver platform as a portal-based technology. The first of all, let me start with some history of the NetWeaver first of all. So first of all, in 1997, one of the Israel software company, so they have developed this portal technology. One Israel company. So let's talk about some history here. So it's not useful, but it's something should be some knowledgeable here, right? So in 1997, the Israel software company, they have founded one of the portal technology here, which then after that, which SAP acquired on 2021. SAP acquired on 2001 in 2001. So they have acquired this Israel company here, right? So joined SAP. Then after that, what SAP thinked and they have renovated their NetWeaver platform above level and Java level, some integration perspective and portals perspective. They have renovated the technology and everything here. Then after that, when SAP acquired this Israel company, the portal based technology here, then the first release of SAP announced into the market, that is so in 2004 NetWeaver 2003, yeah, I think it's in the SAP NetWeaver 2004, that is the first release they have released. The first release that is released in the first, it is available in the 2004. That's why they have mentioned the year in the 2004 March, I think first quarter March. So they have they have released in 2004 the first product they have released into the market so in 2004 they have released into the market here. After, when they have acquired in 2001, they have acquired the company, Israel company, portal based technology they have acquired. Then after that 3 years they have struggled and they have changed, and in 2004 they have released the SAP NetWeaver 2004, the first version they have released into the market here. So then this is, they have renamed also, they have renamed called the SAP NetWeaver 7.0. 7.0 also it is, they have renamed here. Then then after that the latest release, after that they have started releasing the versions into the market. So then after that SAP, so NetWeaver 7.1, right? SAP NetWeaver 7.2, not the successful version. SAP NetWeaver 7.3, then SAP NetWeaver 7.3, yeah, EHP1, like that they have released it. SAP NetWeaver 7.4, they have released it. Then SAP NetWeaver 7.5, they have released it. Then SP 26, same here also we have the SP levels, but only SP 15 is the latest version, is the SP 26 is the latest version in the market, which is available here, right? So like that, they have started changing the versions, SPs and everything. So they are not supporting all these versions currently. These are all the old versions here, obsolete versions here. So only SAP NetWeaver 7.5 is the latest version, which we have to use it here, right? Which have to use it here for this one here, right? So this is the, so NetWeaver, the history means what are the versions we have available and all those things. These are the things we should be know here, right? So normally this product, the NetWeaver product, the NetWeaver Java product, this will allow, this is the platform actually, this will allow organizations to integrate their data, business process, the more variety of sources in the SAP environment, we can use it here. Suppose example, that this NetWeaver product we will use in the ATM front-end machines also. Suppose in the ATM front-end machines, we have the portal screens. That is called the Java is required here, SAP NetWeaver Java. And also PI systems, SAP NetWeaver also required here, right? BPM, SAP NetWeaver is required here. So NetWeaver is common. Nowadays, NetWeaver system, NetWeaver stack is common for all those things here. So here in the NetWeaver, so to install the SAP NetWeaver systems, what we required here, what are the software components we required here. So where we have to use this NetWeaver, this is the Java stack level, Java stack. This is a WebAS Java stack, not the above stack. Above stack means we know how to log in and how to work it. This is the Java stack here. So here we have to use the URLs, HTTP or HTTPS URLs to log into your Java stack systems. To log into the Java stack systems, we have to use this things here, your Java stack here, right? So what is the Java architecture here? So what is the Java architecture here? There the multiple components are available in the NetWeaver architecture. Java, there are the multiple components here. There the, it includes the Java means combination of the multiple multiple components, multiple services, multiple applications, right? Multiple applications, several applications will run on the Java framework here. Java framework here. Java means, don't think like we have the Java coding part. It's not like that here. Okay, it's like Java is the application here. In the SAP side, we will use the Java application here. Multiple applications, multiple combinations we will run on the Java stack here. Java stack here. To run this installation, to perform this Java stack installation, so what we required here? So what we required here? So to perform the Java stack applications, the mainly here we require the hardware things and software. Same as like SAP. So we have to discuss about the hardware requirements. Hardware. So requirements we have to discuss about here. Hardware requirements. Hardware requirements means how much, what is the OS, what is the DB, right? So then what are the, how much memory we required here, right? Memory, how much memory we required here. Then what are the space, how much space we required here. What is the network bandwidth we required here, right? So what are the tools we have to use it for here. So for the NetWeaver, you need the browsers, not the SAP login pad. For ABAP, we need the SAP login pad. Here you need the browser to log into the NetWeaver systems here. So what is the operating system here? SAP can be installed, SAP NetWeaver can be installed on the any operating systems, any database, any DB, any operating, same as like SAP, right? Any operating systems, any database. How much memory is required? Minimum 8 GB memory, 8 GB free memory is required minimum for practice purpose, or so for real time in the non-production systems. So 8 GB minimum is fine. So someone asks you, Jen, make it like 16 GB. Normally in the non-production, in the real time environment, they will make it as a 16 GB for the, so non-development and quality purpose, they will use the this environment here. They will use the this one here. So 16 GB or this one. How much space is required here? 200 GB free space at file system is required here. Network. So if you have the GBPS or Mbps, good network bandwidth. So tools, browsers are required here. What are the softwares and hardwares are required, means browsers are required here, right? So here, any one of the browser to open the URLs here, right? And also here, coming to the software recommendations, same here, we require the SWPM for the installations, right? Then Java exports, ABAP exports here, Java exports you required. Then what next? Then Java exports you required. Then client kernel you required, DB client, SAP host agent. So these are the softwares you required here. Java exports, components also will come here. Java exports are required here, right? These are the software, same as like SAP level. Here only the ABAP exports, here Java exports. It will come into the picture here, right? From which version? 7.5 is the latest version. We have to go to the service marketplace. We need to download the Java softwares here. So Java software components here, right? Softwares here, then exports here, then kernel, SWPM, host agent, JVM. So here JVM. So SAP host agent, JVM, exports, Java components. So Java components, exports, kernel, DB client, host agent, JVM. So these all those things are required here. All those things are required here, right? So SWPM we know how to download. So kernel we know, DB client. So we know one DB client. Host agent and JVM. So host agent also we know here, right? So we have to log into the service marketplace here. We have to log into the service marketplace. To perform these configurations, we have to log into the service marketplace here, right? Visit the support portal here. In the support portal, where we have the software downloads here. In the software downloads, So we are installing the exports, right? SAP, SAP, so Java exports. Remaining all softwares are common here. So kernel we have already downloaded, DB client host agent. So these all are the common. Java exports also same how above level we will download the exports. Same way we have to download the here exports. We have to download it here. Go to the so NetWeaver. So NetWeaver 7.5. Right, 7.5 is the latest version. SAP NetWeaver 7.5. Here installations, here based upon the your operating system, your operating system, you need to download the related Java exports. We have to download it. Then Java software components we have to download it here. Right. So this is the installation exports we have to download it, and software components we have to download it here. Right, these two files, SAP NetWeaver Java, then so JVM. So J means so alphabetical order J, we have to go to the J, they we have to download the JVM here. Right, go to the Java JVM. SAP JVM, then we can download the all the JVM softwares. We can download it from here. It's just file. SAP JVM 8 is the latest version here. SAP JVM 8 is the latest version. JVM 8 we can download, depends upon the operating systems. We can download the respective file. We can download it here. Okay, respective file we can download it to the here. Right. So software requirements and hardware requirements. These are the softwares how to download it. These are the hardwares how to download it here. Right. So then after that, how to start the installation? It's the same. Above level, we know how to start the installation, right? Go to the SWPM, right? Just click on the SAP INST here. Same as like above, just click on the, so here, software provisioning manager here, SWPM here. Okay, so it's go to the unsafe mode, same as WPM. Okay, just to open in the administrator mode. Okay, so here NetWeaver 7.5 and SQL Server database. So installations, so application server Java. Okay, so then standard installation. Normally for ABAP systems, we selected the application server ABAP. For Java systems, we need to select the Java standard standalone system here. Similar installation here. You don't need to worry about the ABAP side. What is the port number? What are the tools? This is the same port number, same log files. As I mentioned, any in SAP product installation, right? We have to use the similar softwares, except only the exports may change here. Remaining all things are common here. Only exports may change. Remaining all will be so different here. Okay. So let's see. So how to perform. Okay. So here you can see the typical installation here, same, right? So typical. Then here also we have to provide the SID, instance number, passwords, all those things common. It's a very common here. So only thing is whenever it is asked the exports, then that time we have to provide the Java exports. That's it. Same. It's own. Whenever it is asking the JVM, that time we have to provide the Java JVM file. We have to give it here. That's it. Right? Same installation perspective. The installation is same here. So same here. Okay. Okay. So see here it is asking the JVM path here, right? So JVM, just go to the here, just go to the here. So E drive we have SAP softwares. Okay. So here Java softwares, here JVM we need to choose it here. Just click on the OK button. Just click on the OK button here. Okay. So JVM is available. JVM means Java Virtual Machine. So why it is so important? I will explain it. So once when the installation is continuously running, so that time I will clearly explain. So why JVM is very important. What is the architecture of the so our SAP this one. So I will explain it clearly. So see here Java component it is asking. The folder name is OS. So here it is showing what folder you have to select. OS INDET underscore UT here. OS Java components, Java softwares. So Java exports. Go to the data units. So OS INDET. So not this one. This is the one. This is asking. Then select this one. Okay. You can observe the log files at SAP log file. So here it will clearly written so what files it is reading accepted. So then each and everything it will show here. Same as like above systems only. Okay. So that only additional thing is Java software, Java exports. We have to download. We have to check it out here. We need to download the all the Java exports here. That's it. Remaining all are common thing here.
Here only architecture will change, no, sir.
Yeah. So normally in SAP, we will log in with the SAP logon pad, right? So same way. So let me show you here while that is in progress. Normally, you know, right, this SAP architecture here. So we have presentation layer, SAP layer, then database layer here, right? So here we have the SAP logon pad. This is the presentation layer. Our desktops are logon pads here. SAP GUI or so presentation layer here. From here, this is the ABAP, right? So this is the DB here. Normally here through SAP logon pad, we will connect to the ABAP system. Then the ABAP system will depend on the database. It will store the data here. Then it will push back to the again screen. This is the navigation. SAP is a three-layer architecture. Same as like here. So here we instead of SAP GUI here we have the browser to connect to the SAP Java systems, SAP NetWeaver systems. So here you need the URL browser here. Here in the browser, we have to type the URLs here, either http:// the host name colon the port number 5 instance number. So 5 instance number 00 port number we have to use it here. So then when you execute this in the browser, it will connect to the whatever the host name you have installed, it will connect to your Java system. Then Java is dependent upon the here. The only thing is here for ABAP systems, you will log in with the SAP logon pad. For Java systems, you will use the browser. Browsers, you will use it here. The browsers, you will use it here. Okay, that is the main thing here. So it is installation also. It's very simple. It's not like the ABAP. The only thing is extracting the softwares, verifying the softwares only. It will take time. Remaining all are it's very simple. Okay. So then here you see as when you are installing the Java systems here. So the Java we can use in the enterprise portal, ADS service also we can use it, BI Java, BPM, central process scheduling. So remaining portal, enterprise portal, the service repository, ESR, PDF export. These are the product instances. In any one of the product Java is required here. So okay. So which instance you are going to do? BI Java? Yes. Or what you are going to ADS? Yes. So then what? ADS means Adobe Documentation Service here. The PDF's purpose ADS is required here. So BI Java, BI Java. So what you required here? What you required here? So then EP core portal. Then select the EP core portal, enterprise portal. Whatever you required, so we need to select business. It depends upon the business use case. Then you need to select the these things. Just click on the OK button here. Just click on the OK button here. So in you are installing the Java from which instance purpose, for what is the use case here. So then we have to do that one. Then next step, it will ask the SID. What is the SID? In which SID? What is the SID for you are giving for this one? So we have to provide the SID here. We have to give the SID here. Okay, SID. What is the SID here? We can give it here. Okay, so NetWeaver Java. So production something like that we can give it here. Okay, something meaningful here. Okay, tomorrow someone see. So what is this NJP? NetWeaver Java P months production. NetWeaver Java development. Same SID. 3 alpha numeric characters for the so for the SID we have to give it here. Right. So then the FQDN is not required. So then just uncheck it out. Just click on the next button here. FQDN means fully qualified domain name here that we have to give it here. The next one is the OSINDEP here. So that folder OSINDEP, this folder we have to give it here. The folder name, whatever the folders it is asking, we can browse it or we can provide the location here. Okay, so password for the all the users here. Okay, so let me okay, DB connection it is asking DB connection parameters. Then we have to choose the DB connection. Even next we have to give the kernel. Kernel also is not asked. Then some other components, exports, and those things we have to provide it to the here. So then DB instance. This is the DB instance. So because it will create the one DB instance, one database instance, it will create it here. So then I have selected the DB instance here. To create the new database, same as like SAP. Okay, kernel it is asking SAP exe. Then we can choose the directory, choose the kernel software here, SAP kernel here. Okay, so then here you see where is the files, kernel files are available here. Okay, so it's checking the kernel files, kernel files. So SAP exe, SAP exe, SAP exe DB. So all these four files are the kernel IGS, all the kernels.
Sir,
Yes,
in your organization, is it required to maintain both the stacks at a time?
both the
I mean, Java-based and ABAP-based
yeah.
stacks at a time.
Yeah, few normally in the real time, few yeah, they have the both actually. Why? Because few users they will log in from the browsers. All right, few users they will log in from the app application, few from the SAP login pad. So not everything in the SAP login pad, right? Few are they will log in through browser URL also here, right? That time this portal, this Java is the purely web-based side. So this web-based side, Java will be helpful actually. That's why definitely in every organization they will, if they have the above stack, definitely they have the Java stack also here. Yeah, both we have to do it for here. Why? Because Java stack is communicating the browser level communication purpose. We have to use the Java stack here.
Even when we log in with Java also it will take whatever the we have a dialog process. Sir.
No,
It
no, no.
will,
Here different process, different architecture. Here different
okay.
process here. Here that is called the server nodes here. So there, when you are logging from the SAP login pad or SAP GUI, dialog workflow will take care of the our request and it will process it here. Here, the ICM and Java server nodes are available here in the Java cluster. Those things will take care of the our our things here. Those things we will take care of here. Okay. Those things will take care of the our request and everything. It will take care.
Is there like any particular amount of people only login or like that?
No, there is no restrictions. Yeah, a number of people can log in. But only thing is you should have the for Java is purely memory minded Java. So which means you should have the so enough memory, enough RAM memory should be free at operating system level. So then only so Java will run without any issues here. There is no limitation. We can increase the limitations also. Okay, host agent update is not required. So just click on the next button. So here our folder is called the J2WINST, J2WINST. These folders we have to select it. J2 software components in the J2WINST. Select this one. Next. So JDMP, this folder. This will come as part of the, when you are downloading the exports, this all will come. So that's why we are giving this one. Signature accepted. It will cross check clearly. It will cross check the all the information here. So that's why. So it's taking some time. Okay. So here nodes. So it's a small systems. I can select the four Java nodes here will come. Okay. So then instance number it is asking 0406. Then what we will give ECP we have 2021, ECD 3031, then 1011 not the 10, then 4041 we will give here for this one instance number. Okay, 4041. So JC next like this only we have to click it out here. No SLD. Above also this that will not take this much of time, right? It's finished very quickly. This inputs is taking very longer time. Okay, I think it's almost the define parameter section. It's almost completed, I guess. Then review parameter section. Then we have to do the execute service. It will take time to complete the execute service. So let's wait. Then we will review the parameter section. So yeah, total how much time is taken, all the information it is giving here. So all the information we got it here. Okay. So now review parameter section here, review parameter section here. Okay. In the review parameter section, we have the SID is equal to NJP and password. So all the information we have given, right? All the information we have given. So now if I click on the next button, it will start installing the Java stack and everything here. So shall I do it, or will you guys will perform the Java installation? So inputs up to here, fine. So whoever you guys also start giving the inputs up to here. Then in the final, at the end of the day, just click on the next button so that Java will be installed here. Okay. So I have done my inputs giving same as like you can also give the inputs in the here so that everybody will get. So practice only what's giving in the Java side and everything here. Okay. Just do the like this. So once the Java is installed for the tomorrow's class, then we can discuss about the administration part, Java administration. Java administration, we can discuss about that one. Okay.